Hey guys, today we're up here at the Monon Corner up in Westfield. Arbor Homes, destination, low maintenance property. I'm going to take you into Sedone. We're going to check it out and see if this might be something that you're interested in, because they take care of all the exterior lawn care. All right, that is $121 a month. They take care of all the exterior mulching, landscaping, cutting the grass. They take care of plowing snow. So today we're going to go into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property. It is the Sedone. It is price point at it's 2,063 square feet. It could be a 2 or 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, $359.95. So let's go at $360 starting out with this property. This one as shown $435. So let's go ahead and get inside. First of all, check out this porch. All right, check out the porch. Under here you can put a couple chairs, keep you out of the weather, still sit outside. Let's go inside. Right off you can see the open front door with the transient lighting, side lighting, lets in all the light. Nice open concept. You got 2 bedrooms right off. Full bath. Bedroom number 2 right here is 10 by 12 with a walk-in closet. Go to a flex room, which is actually set up as a bedroom right now. And this is 13.5 by 11. Standard closet there. This could be your bar area as well. Like I said, this one price point out as shown $435. Open concept. We got 42 uppers, walk-in closet. Let's go check out that walk-in closet. Quartz countertops. This is not quite a walk-in pantry. It's a step-in pantry, but you can still put all your food needs up here and your small appliances. 42 uppers with crowns. And they did this one right here. They did it right. Big open sink, undermount, some extra storage on both sides, electrical outlets, high ceilings. Let me see, what are we at on these ceilings? The thing about the destination, there are 5 different floor plans. They are low maintenance properties, not a 55 plus community, but they're all ranch properties, no 2 stories. It has their own separate community. We got a half bath right here. As you come in right off the garage, this area in this closet is where you put in your water softener. Come down the hallway. You're going to look into your laundry room, and behind these closets is the mechanicals, which makes it very easy to get to if you need to change your filters or anything. So it makes it very easy to get to. Gas furnace there. When you come in here, take this down and put up some cabinets up here. That way you can keep all your stuff hidden. Let's go over to the primary room. This room here is 12. Let's call it 13 by 20. I like the dark ceiling here. Leave a comment down below. Do you like the dark ceiling or not? Would you paint your ceilings dark? So this dark ceiling coming down looks really good, guys. It's more of a chocolate color. Let's go back into the primary suite bathroom. We got dual sinks, party shower, 2 people, water closet, a door right there. These are wider doors in the Destination series. It's basically, if you think about it, more of, it's not considered a 55 plus, but it could be, because everything's ranch. It's for people who don't want to go upstairs, who don't want to take care of the yard. This is what this is for. Let's come around here. Linen closet. I'm digging it, guys. They did this right. They did tile. With this price point at $435, tile. Now, hopefully they sealed this, because if they don't, you're going to get some mold and build up through here, soap scum. Hopefully this is sealed. If they didn't do it, make sure that you get that sealed. And this would be access out into the garage. This is a nice flowing open concept ranch, just over 2,000 square feet, 2,063 square feet. Got to come up here. If you are looking to check out, if you're interested in a low maintenance, no maintenance, exterior lawn, low maintenance type home ranch up in the Westfield area at the low 400s or starting at the 360s, definitely give me a call. All my contact information is down below. Feel free to reach out to me. Be glad to make a personal introduction to the sales consultants up here. That way you can sit down with them and decide if this community is for you. This community also has, let me see, was it pickleball? No, pickleball and a pool. So that comes with your amenities. You're looking at $180 a month. That will cover your lawn care and your HOA. So keep that into consideration. This is basically a one-stop shop. So that way you can do business, you can do your lifestyle stuff and not have to worry about any kind of yard maintenance. Okay, guys? I like these lights up here, or those window openings there. Plenty of lights. Make sure if you get a home like this that you add all this. Arbor will do that. They'll add extra lighting. As you can see, some plates right there that you can do some drop downs. They'll add extra electrical. And also, guys, if you'd like to interested in a quick move-in property and you don't have the time to wait to get a property built, they have a list of quick move-in properties ready to go that you can move into. You won't be able to do any extra stuff, but it's ready to go. So they also have a covered porch out here. I love this. Let's go out here. Covered porch. Just a huge fan of covered porches. These lots are smaller. It doesn't matter because you're not taking care of the grass anyway. Here's the rear of the property. I love that. There's another model that they have, or floor plan, where this is in the middle. Seems to be more popular. I love the covered porches like this. It reminds me a lot of Florida. So let's go back in here real quick. All right, you can add a full basement to this, 65 to 70,000 unfinished, if you're to completely finish it out. Okay, once again, here's another example of a corner lot. You're going to have 2 front yards, but here's the cool thing, guys. With the Destination Home Series from Arbor Homes, you're not going to have to worry about taking care of landscaping this side yard, because they are going to take care of it, because it's a low maintenance property where they take care of the exterior landscaping. So you're going to see a lot of continuity throughout the community, and you're not going to have to worry about, is your neighbor cutting their yard? Are they taking care of the landscaping? It's all going to be done in the Destination Arbor Homes series. So definitely come up here if you're interested in the Westfield area. Like I said, I'd be glad to make a personal introduction to the sales staff, give you a VIP tour, and so that way you can sit down with them uninterrupted and ask the questions and just decide if this area is actually for you. And you know what? I am the type person that low maintenance. I hate cutting grass. Do you like cutting grass? I don't. But anyhow, it's a good looking area up here, guys. Definitely come up here and check it out. let me know. Contact information all down below. Bye-bye.